prior to issuance of warrant of arrest.
Between
Lordship, that those are the separate applications. He is misleading the court. He is preventing me from submission before your Lordship.
is already under.
Kindly, Lordship, let me submit. How can I submit, Lordship?
Mike is
Let me submit for at least 3 minutes.
This is disturbing.
Your
Please
Lordship,
continuously.
a number of cases are there, Your Lordship, and unless
Lordship, the complaint case, I am challenging the violation of Priyanka Srivastava judgment, and the judgment passed by Honorable Supreme Court Justice Gavai in
it may be heard by the Honorable.
Babu Venkateswaran State of Karnataka. The complaint, Lordship, if you refer the complaint, Lordship, no affidavit has been filed by the complainant.
What now? The complaint is lodged.
I am appearing in person, Lordship, petition number 2 in person. This pertaining to a quashing of a case of complaint case under section 500, 504, 506 and 34 IPC. Lordship, the
Complainant, and this has been already heard by the coordinate bench.
Lordship, that has been withdrawn. Kindly, Lordship, the complaint has been lodged as a counter blast. The petition number 1 was attacked in a lawyer's chamber, and she was subjected to sexual violence, Lordship. The accused was charge sheeted. The charge sheet I have annexed here in page number 60, Lordship.
You are
No,
petitioner
Lordship,
number
this
2.
I am number 2. I am petition number 2. She is petition number 1 in person, Lordship.
Lordship, it
I am
has
the
been
prime witness in that case.
heard and on the verge of dismissal.
matter,
Lordship,
this
this-
application.
Yes,
this
on
is-
the same
Lordship,
cause of
this is the
action,
first
same matter
case revisional application that has been withdrawn.
of arrest, Your Lordship.
Lordship, let me submit. Kindly let me
And
submit.
Your Lordship,
What is the order? Let's
I am
see.
yes, Your Lordship. They withdrew the application when it was on the verge of dismissal, Your Lordship. They had challenged the
Lordship, total that has the revision application was withdrawn, and this is on fresh cause of action, Lordship.
analogous applications are already pending before Honorable Justice Shubhra Ghosh, Your Lordship, and all the cases are
It was an earlier application.
yes.
Earlier application, Lordship, that has been withdrawn prior to issuance of warrant of arrest.
Between
Lordship, that those are the separate applications. He is misleading the court. He is preventing me from submission before your Lordship.
is already under.
Kindly, Lordship, let me submit. How can I submit, Lordship? He is disturbing. Being a senior lawyer, he is disturbing.
They are
How
trying
can I
to-
submit? This is my case. Let me submit for at least 3 minutes.
She is, Your
Please
Lordship,
continuously.
a number of cases are there, Your Lordship, and unless
Lordship, the complaint case I am challenging, that is without affidavit. No affidavit was filed before the magistrate. The violation of Priyanka Srivastava judgment, and the judgment passed by Honorable Supreme Court Justice Gavai in
it may be heard by the Honorable.
Babu Venkateswaran State of Karnataka. The complaint, Lordship, if you refer the complaint, Lordship, no affidavit has been filed by the complainant.
What now? The complaint is lodged. Which sections?
500, 504, 506 and 34. And Lordship, 500 IPC has been involved as because we have filed complaint with the police authorities. That's why 500 has been invoked. Kindly see the deposition by her before the court, Lordship. That is at page number 101 and 102, Lordship. 102, Lordship. The complainant is deposing before the court. I have filed present complaint against Sanjukta Samanta and Ramit Datta. I was a practicing advocate at Honorable High Court of Calcutta with the registration number so and so. I was defending my client, Dr. Deepak Shankar Rai, when I came to know from one of the emails of accused number 1, namely Sanjukta Samanta, that she has come to know about my personal details, official designation of my husband, namely Kanat Saha. She also sent derogatory emails to different police authorities in West Bengal and Vellore using her email ID. She also mentioned in the email that she has filed criminal complaint against me. That was the information, Lordship, before the lawful authorities as per exception 8 of section 499 IPC. For reasons best known to her, because I had not met her till date of receiving the emails. Upon receiving the emails, first I went to the Bar Council of West Bengal for registering one complaint against the accused number 1. Later, I submitted a formal written complaint against her to the Bar Council. I also went to the local Dandan PS and filed a written complaint. When I appeared on behalf of my client, paid for his bail, since then the accused number 1 had been filing endless number of cases against me. She also sent derogatory emails against my husband. Accused number 2, being the husband of accused number 1, has also filed a complaint against me, representing himself as an advocate, wherein in reality he is not one as per my knowledge. The accused number 1 has also threatened my clerk and abused them in filthy language. The call records have been submitted to police. She also filed a complaint against Honorable Justices of Calcutta High Court. That is totally vague, Lordship. I pray for justice. No date, no specification, nothing has been mentioned in the evidence, Lordship. And next thing, Lordship, I will just humbly request before your Lordship, kindly refer the complaint at page number 92 of my petition.
They are already under CBI investigation, CID investigation.
Lordship, false statement, FIR,
Extortion, abduction, and so many criminal.
Lordship, FIR had been lodged.
Let the matter be heard after vacation.
Yes, Your
Let
Lordship.
the proceedings go on,
Yes,
but let
Your
the warrant of arrest be stayed.
It has been,
Lordship, warrant of arrest,
taken-
we have surrendered before the learned court below. Bail has been granted to us.
it may.
That's why that revision application was withdrawn. Kindly, Lordship, I'll just point it out the last thing, page number 92, Lordship, the original complaint. Page number 92. There are two petitioners, Lordship, in the cause title of the petition, Ms. Malavika Saha. Two is Ms. Holmista Paul. They are called as petitioners herein. Page 92, Lordship. Therein, Lordship, affidavit is at page number 98. Only the petition number 2, Holmista Paul, is doing oath before the court that she is the petitioner of this case. She is filing affidavit. Whereas, Lordship, it is the mandate by the Honorable Apex Court and Honorable High Court that affidavit should be attached with the complaint. No affidavit is there of the complainant, prime complainant, Ms. Malavika Saha. No sign, nowhere in the petition.
So on the basis of 156(3), C case.
That was converted to 200 CRPC. Lordship,
Based on
Lordship, it is well within the knowledge of all of us that whenever we are filing 156(3) petition, complainant should file affidavit. There is no affidavit, Lordship.
I filed
Certificate copy, original certificate copy is annexed there in Lordship. No affidavit is there.
Lordship, affidavit in chief was adduced and I had.
That was chief Lordship, not during filing the application of 153, no affidavit was filed.
Yes, please take down. Learned advocate for the petitioner and learned advocate
And
for
your
the
lordship,
opposite
she
party.
has been threatening your lordship in the
Present.
premises of the court, your lordship.
And the facts of the case is this: on the basis of application under section 156(3) CRPC, complaint case under section 200 CRPC was instituted by the learned Chief Metropolitan Magistrate at Calcutta. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that as the said complaint was not supported by affidavit, it is not maintainable in the eye of law. Learned advocate for the opposite party submit that earlier the petitioner moved application on the same grounds, but the same was dismissed on the ground of non-prosecution. Upon hearing the learned advocates and considering the facts of the case, this court is of the view that this matter should be heard. Let this matter appear, thus this revisional application is admitted. Let this matter appear as a contested application 2 weeks after vacation. When is the next date before the learned?
Today was the next date, Lordship. Today was the date only.
As
Kindly, Lordship, stay, interim stay may be
I'm giving-
granted.
as the matter is sub judice before this court, parties are at liberty to seek necessary adjournments before the learned court below, which may be considered.
Lordship,
Your lordship, copy.
Lordship,
Sir,
Lordship,
I
just
have not
Yes.
received the copy, your lordship.
Then how
Copy,
are you appearing?
on the website, I have seen the website.
Actually, you see, after,
I'm the
after the matter is admitted, the copies are served, not
Lordship,
after that.
lordship, I am the de facto complainant.
Okay.
your lordship. Copy may be served.
নোটিশের জায়গা ওটা করে দিন, as learned advocate for the opposite party has already appeared. Service of notice upon opposite party is dispensed with. Let a copy of the petition be served upon the learned advocate for the opposite party.
Lordship, just one humble prayer, Lordship. Kindly, personal appearance before the learned court below can be dispensed with during pendency of this proceeding.
Just I made it clear. You just pray for adjournment. It
Lordship,
can be done through lawyer also.
Yes.
Lordship,
Learned advocate for the petitioner,
in person, Lordship.
in person are present before this court.